Welcome to Swahili School. This lesson we are learning days of the week. So how do we say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way? So which is the first day of the week? Monday, Sunday? Let's find out. So days of the week. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. This will help us in the YouTube universe to keep producing free lessons. So please hit that like and subscribe to our channel. Siku za wiki. Siku za wiki. Let's break that down. What does that mean? Siku, the word siku means days. Siku is the same as saying days in Swahili. Za of the week. Wiki is week. So there's another way of saying wiki in Swahili. You can either say wiki. Siku is saying day. Wiki, week. In Swahili, Saturday is the first day of the week. Moja mean, if when we did numbers, moja means one. But ancient Swahili, that is before Swahili and Arabic fused, Mosi was one, that point. Mosi was one. But moja and Mosi both represent number one. So the first day of the week is Saturday. How do we say this? Jumamosi. Jumamosi. And I break it down here. Jumamosi. If you have not done our syllabus or phonics, pause here. Go do the phonics. It will help you greatly in reading and pronunciation of Swahili. Swahili is easy to learn because it is written and read the same way. So Mosi means one. Juma, Mosi, first day of the week. First day of the week. Siku ya kwanza. Siku ya kwanza. Kwanza means first. Kwanza means first. First day of the week. Jumamosi. Jumamosi. And once you know Jumamosi is the first day of the week and it's Saturday, and you also need to know how to count. So if you haven't done numbers, pause here, go do your numbers from 0 to 10, and then come back. It will get much easier from here on. So second day of the week will be Sunday. Sunday. Jumapili. Jumapili is Sunday. So pili is second. Second is pili. Jumapili. Second day of the week. This is where the phonics come in. If you see a word and you're not able to break it down, just read syllable by syllable. Jumapili. Jumapili, second day of the week. Pili means second. When we did numbers, what was number 2? Number 2 was mbili. Mbili was number 2. So if you said Jumambili, everybody will understand you mean Sunday. But correct way to say it, Jumapili. Jumapili, second day of the week. Third day is Jumatatu. Jumatatu, Monday. Monday is the third day of the week in Swahili. Jumatatu, Jumatatu. Tatu means 3. Tatu in Swahili means number 3. So tatu, tatu, or tatu means the third or number 3. Juma tatu, third day of the week. So what does this Juma mean? We have said Juma Mosi, Juma Pili, Juma Tatu. Juma means it's another word for week. Week. Siku za wiki or week. So the ancient way of saying, the ancient Swahili way of saying week is Juma. So Jumamosi, Saturday, Jumapili, Sunday, Jumatatu, Monday. Fourth day of the week would be Tuesday. Tuesday. Jumanne. Jumanne. Ne is number 4. Number 4. Ne. Ne means 4th day. Number 4. Jumanne, the 4th day of the week. 5th day of the week. Jumatano. Jumatano. Tano, 5. Jumatano. So far, let's review what we've learned. Jumamosi, Saturday. Jumapili, Sunday. Jumatatu, Monday. Jumanne, Tuesday. Jumatano, Wednesday. Wednesday is Jumatano. Thursday, 6th day of the week. We don't say Jumasita. We say Alhamisi. Alhamisi. And I break it down right here. Alhamisi. Alhamisi is the 6th day of the week. Sita, siku ya sita. Siku ya sita. Alhamisi, siku ya sita. Ijumaa, 7th day of the week. Ijumaa. So we've covered 7 days of the week. Siku ya saba. Siku ya saba. Saba is number 7. Number 7. Siku ya saba. Let's review again. Siku ya kwanza, first day. Siku ya kwanza, Jumamosi. Siku ya pili, second day, Jumapili. Jumapili. Siku ya tatu. Siku ya tatu. Jumatatu. Jumatatu. Monday. Monday. Siku ya nne. Siku ya nne. Jumanne. Jumanne. Tuesday. Siku ya tano. Siku ya tano. Jumatano. Jumatano. Wednesday. Wednesday. Siku ya sita. Siku ya sita. Alhamisi. Alhamisi. Thursday. And then Friday. Siku ya saba. Ijumaa. Siku ya saba. Ijumaa. Maswali questions. Maswali. This is to review what we've done so far, 7 days of the week. Please subscribe to our channel. It's going to help us greatly. So let's go to maswali. Maswali. Siku ya kwanza. Siku ya kwanza. How do you say Saturday? Jumamosi. 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 Saturday. Jumamosi. Siku ya pili. Siku ya pili. Second day of the week. Jumapili. 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 Second day of the week. Third day of the week. Siku ya tatu. Siku ya tatu. Jumatatu. Jumatatu. Siku ya nne. Siku ya nne. Jumanne. Jumanne. Tuesday. Tuesday. Siku ya tano. Wednesday. Siku ya tano. Wednesday. Jumatano. Jumatano. Siku ya sita. Number 6. 6th day. Siku ya sita. Alhamisi. Alhamisi. Al-ha-mi-si. Alhamisi. Siku ya sita. Siku ya saba. 7th day. Friday. Ijumaa. Ijumaa. Siku ya saba. Siku ya saba. So let's review. First day of the week in Swahili is Saturday. Saturday, Jumamosi. Saturday, Jumamosi. Sunday, Jumapili. Sunday, Jumapili. Monday, Jumatatu. Monday, Jumatatu. Tuesday, Jumanne. Tuesday, Jumanne. Wednesday, Jumatano. Wednesday, Jumatano. Thursday, Alhamisi. Thursday, Alhamisi. Friday, Ijumaa. Friday, Ijumaa. And those are the 7 days of the week, as long as you remember two things. Saturday is the first day of the week. And then learn how to count from 1 to 7. Jumamosi, Jumapili, Jumatatu, Jumanne, Jumatano, Alhamisi, Ijumaa. The first 5 begin with the word Juma, which means week. And then on Thursday is Alhamisi, and on Friday, Ijumaa. And that's the end of the week. In the description box, you will find a workbook with puzzles, games, worksheets. It helps with the videos that you've been watching. Come back and learn days of the week and then practice them. Practice using these worksheets, using the puzzles, and much more. We also have live classes. You can join us for the live classes for beginners, intermediate, or advanced students in Swahili for both middle, elementary, and high school students. We can't wait to have you in one of our classes. Even beyond Swahili, we have science classes, math classes, African history classes. So please join us using the link below. You can also view our catalog using the link below for all the different classes that we offer on Swahili School. So please join us again for next week. So next week, we're going to learn how to say today, tomorrow, yesterday, the day before yesterday, before and after, or even see you later. So see you for the next lesson. Kwaheri. Bye-bye.